Just wash the brushes outside and someone's upset. Oh boy. Hi, Clanny. Hi. Mama did some painting. Do you want to come out and play? You threw all your blankets on the ground. Oh, honey. Yeah, that one doesn't go there. This one goes over here. Hi. Want to come out and play? Okay, come here. Mommy painted a mailbox for you. It's one of your favorite colors, aqua blue. Want to see it? Look, it's out here. While you were sleeping for an hour. It's out there. It's blue. Okay, let's get a snack. It's hot outside. Want to play with your water table? Want to play with your water table? Outside? It's nice and shady on the deck. Alright. Say I love you. Can you blow a kiss? A kiss? I love you. Can I have a kiss? Mommy gets a kiss? No. No kisses? Clanny? Okay, I'm sorry.